Real simple for all my buddies. This is payback because I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube. I've sat here, you can't get this thing to start. I've pushed a brake, I've flipped this, I've beat this, I took this apart. My battery, it says the voltage is on whatever it is, 106. It still won't start. I was fixing to go buy a new battery. It's a 2015 Polaris. I haven't had no problems out of it. It's like brand new. Couldn't get the thing to start. Played up and down with these wires. Couldn't get nothing going. Took the seat off. Beating on the starter. Thought that was the problem. Just couldn't get nothing to work. Just couldn't get nothing to work. So I took my screwdriver. I took this little area off here. It was 2 or 3 bolts. And I looked back there and I seen that solenoid. And I just took that screwdriver and I touched it. And when I touched it, boom, it crunk up. So you don't have to hit switches like other guys are telling you, or if you're running into my problem where everything's lighting up but this thing won't turn over. Just take this little section off right here. Don't even worry about nothing else. Touch your solenoid and see if it'll turn over. And if that's it, then it's your solenoid. But thanks. That's just payback for you guys helping me. Thank y'all.